what's up? My name is Marv Anthony, and I'm the founder of the Black Lion Organization. For those of you not familiar with the Black Lion Organization, Black Lion is an organization devoted to personal development. Now, we cover all aspects of personal development: conscious raising, enlightening, or motivational. So that's pretty much what you can expect from my YouTube channel. On Mondays, I'll do my motivationals, and on Thursday, I follow that up with my Thursdays thinking. That's when I speak on things that are completely arbitrary to me. You don't have to agree with me. If you don't, put it in the comments. If you do, then we here. I speak on ignorance. I speak on inequality. I speak on injustice. I speak on sexism. I'm just excited. I'm so excited. I'm extremely excited to use my gift, Like I was using my gift for something different, and I'm excited to use my gift for what I use it for now. Man, it's been a long, hard fight just in order for me to stand here and fight some more. And when you hear me say Black Lions Roar and everybody say, ah, what that is that is a result of you breathing in positivity and breathing in good energy and releasing the negative energy, the flaws, the shortcomings, the doubt, the hatred. You release all of that through your roar. So when you hear me say Black Lions Roar and you say, ah, that's what that represents. Black Lions Roar. You breathe in positivity. You roar out negativity. You roar out the hatred. You roar out the insecurities. Ah! 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 Get it out. It feels good. I'm ready. I'm mentally equipped. I'm loaded. I'm locked and loaded mentally. I'm ready to shoot. I'm locked and loaded mentally. I'm strong physically. My back is strong from perseverance. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. And I'm not here to grind anybody up. I'm not trying to grind nobody up or put nobody down. I'm going to be hard at times because I'm honest. That's what fulfills me. I just left a job where I was making $1,500 to $2,000 every Thursday. I walked out on that job. I stopped doing it and took a part-time job where I'm making $500 a month just so I can have more time to focus on my passion, which is giving. Make sure you subscribe to Marv Anthony. You can also follow me on Instagram at Marv_Anthony. Facebook is Black Lion with 2 Ks. Come subscribe and be a part of my pride and be with Black Lions. Black Lions Roar! Ah! Black Lions Roar! Ah! Black Lions Roar! Ah! Black Lions Roar! Ah! Let's go, baby. It's go time.